We're in the SSV Commodore. It's an auto. It doesn't have flappy paddles, but it does have a gear shift down here that I can control. So the sports exhaust is on. I'll give it a bit of a gun here just so you can hear it.
It's a puppy dog, you're gonna scare the puppy dog.
No. There is certainly a crackle on overrun. It's actually, with the windows down, surprisingly quieter in the cabin than I was expecting. Not that it's a bad thing, it's just a little bit more quieter. I can't hear the sound really coming into the cabin. Maybe I'm being a little bit over the top here, but let me just pull down the rear cabin in the boot, so see if that makes any difference to the noise. Just 2 seconds, please.
I'm gonna scare the puppy dog.
I'll try this again. Okay. Yeah, that's a bit better. I've just moved the lower hatch down in the rear seat. So it's a split seat system. You can pull the center seat down. So it's not like the Boxster, but it's definitely more visceral than, say, the Macan. So let's give it a bit of a go.
I'm gonna scare the puppy dog.
No, I'm not going to scare the puppy dog. So now I'm in sports mode, it says. So and I have to shift via the hand pedal here. So let's give it a go. Put the electronic parking brake on. Turn around here. Okay, in sports mode, it self-shifts.
What does my bum feel good? Did you put the warm seaters on?
No. Okay.
You're going up to the expensive area.
It has about the same, feels less urgent than, say, the Boxster, just to give you a comparison. I'm just going to do these windows up a little bit. The heads-up display is really nice. I do like that. It's quite well finished in here, even though this is not the red line model, but definitely do hear the exhaust. I was trying to get it crackling on overrun. Let's see if I can hear it. So I'm on 3rd gear at the moment.
Don't go crazy around the corner.
No, we're not going to go racing. So it's at 3000 RPM. I'm going to drop it back. Let's just see if it blips the throttle here. Okay, foot off the accelerator. No, it doesn't blip the throttle.
I'm just going to watch this TV screen so I'm not scared.
Okay, we're going to come up to this corner.
You got to get it. Get stones on it.
Here we go.
Let's have.
Okay, it doesn't go like the Boxster, but it's certainly fun.
That's like right. That's good.
Yeah, certainly fun, but you know, it doesn't seem to be as urgent, but likewise I'm holding it in gear. So now we're coming up to this famous 90-degree
that you go down fast and wide on it. That's what you do every single time that I go to gymnastics.
Okay, we're in 4th. I'm going to go to 3rd, doing 83. Let's see how it handles around here.
83, you're gonna slip off the thing.
It actually feels quite good.
No, it doesn't.
Feels quite good around the corner.
Don't listen to me.
pressing down here at 84, third gear. It's going to drop it into fourth, fifth, sixth. I think sixth is overdrive. Yeah, there's no seventh gear here, not unless I've disabled it in sports. Doing 84 here.
I need to write a persuasive writing to tell you to not get the smoking car.
Okay, I'm going to drop it back 5.
How does it grip onto the road like the Porsche? I thought the Porsche only can do that. I don't trust this car.
It's reasonably quick shifting.
Is this to you?
No, I'm recording the video.
Oh.
So how the drive system works, you have D, which you put it in, and that's sports mode off. Then you put it in sports mode, you flick the switch over, and then you're in sports mode, and it will shift now by itself, but in a more sportier profile. But as soon as you change gears yourself, you're in manual mode. So that's basically how it works. So this is an 80 back. So I'm going to pull over soon. No, we're not going to do gymnastics. So it's 60 here. No, there's definitely no blips when you gear down. Definitely no blips.
That's what I was going to tell you. There's noise when you shift down.
Yeah, there's no noise when you shift down.
Or up. You just have to make it by pushing your foot down hard.
So we're 60 in the roundabout.
Oh, it doesn't sound.
There is a slight crackle.
Doesn't sound. I don't really.
There is definitely a the auto is nice, but listen mate, I don't think you're going to be really happy with it. I think you should get it manual. It's going to give you much more control. You're going to be able to blip the throttle. I'm just going to pull into this side street here, and I'm going to attach the GoPro to the back of the exhaust, and we'll see what happens.
Dad. Now everybody thinks you're a complete bogan. No, it's not.
It's okay.
No, it's not. The dog agrees with me.
Okay, it's in park.
barking.